Okay, surface area and volume of a trapezoid, two problems here. One being surface area, the other one being the volume formula for a trapezoid. This is from number 12 on the worksheet that we have here. Today we talked about surface area being 2b plus p times h. Capital B stands for area of the base, P stands for the perimeter, and H stands for the height, three-dimensional height. Over here we have an isosceles trapezoid, okay, that I've redrawn from your worksheet. The 3.7 centimeters is the height, okay, that I redrew down here on the face. If you're curious how I got that, we can go over that. That's a little Pythagorean theorem calculation. The sides here are both 4. This is an isosceles trapezoid. And our bases are 3 and 6. Now, capital B, once again, is the area of a trapezoid, so that's B1 plus B2 times H divided by 2. So I'm going to plug in my values. 3 and 6 are my bases, times the height of 3.7 divided by 2. This is what I get, 16.65. Perimeter calculation is 17. That's just found by adding 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 6 together. And last but not least, the height is 10. So now I take all of those things and I substitute them into the formula down here. 2 plus 16.65 plus 17 times 10. Do those calculations, add them together at the end, we get 203.3 centimeters squared. Once again, remember, trapezoid prism, all right? Why are we using the area of a trapezoid for the area of the base? Is because that's the base, the face that has two parallel bases. Okay, they are parallel to each other. So next is from problem 16 on the worksheet, and that's the volume calculation. Volume calculation for a trapezoid is capital B times H. All right, we went through this kind of quick today, but the capital B is the area of the base. H is the height. Okay, and here on the picture, I've redrawn this again. We have an isosceles trapezoid with bases of 6 and 12 and a height of 5.2. Once again, that's a Pythagorean theorem calculation I can go over of how we get that. But here's a formula, B1 plus B2 times H divided by 2. 6 and 12 are our bases, so we're going to put those in. 6 plus 12 times a height of 5.2 divided by 2. Gives us 187.2 when we calculate that out. That height is 16. Usually these heights here, like you've seen, are drawn at an angle that goes back. Okay? Somewhat, just because of the perspective of the shape. Then we plug the formula, or the pieces that we have into the formula. 187.2 for the area of the base times 16 gives us this volume of 2,995.2 feet cubed. Okay, and here is, once again, a little tutorial about doing surface area and volume of trapezoids.